is it going? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson for today will be about
time in English. There are two common ways of telling the time. The first way is minutes plus past or to plus hour. The second way is hour plus minutes. 2 o'clock, 5 past 2, or 2:05, 10 past 2, or 2:10, 12 past 2, or 2:12, a quarter past 2, or 2:15, 20 past 2, or 2:20, 25 past 2, or 2:25, 27 past 2, or 2:27, half past 2, or 2:30, 25 to 3, or 2:35, 23 to 3, or 2:37, 20 to 3, or 2:40, a quarter to 3, or 2:45, 12 to 3, or 2:48, 10 to 3, or 2:50, 5 to 3, or 2:55, 2 to 3, or 2:58, 3 o'clock. Asking for the time. What time is it? Can you tell me what time is it? Do you know what time is it? Could you tell me the time, please? Answering for the time. We use at plus time when giving the time of a specific event. For example, the class starts at 4 o'clock. The flight leaves at 4:45.
And we use it is or it's to answer a question that asks for the time right now. For example, it's 7:30. It is 20 to 5. It's exactly or about or almost 25 to 2.
That's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson. Bye!